Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video for the 1K and below collab group, I will be doing an acrylic swipe with some embellishments, and it's going to be in the California Dreamin' This Little Piggy contest. I want to apologize. I had the influenza for the majority of the embellishments that I did in this, so the lighting isn't great, but the focus of this video is the beginning, and that will be in detail as far as how to do it and how to make it look good. August is the person for the guest for the 1K and below collab group, and he wants us to talk through it, so we'll see how that goes. Thank you for visiting my channel. This 1K collab group has been fantastic. It's a great asset, and everybody is so supportive. Enjoy the video. Here I'm just taping down the middle with some frog tape and putting the base coat down. All of these colors were mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of GAC 800. I'm getting ready to lay the colors down for the swipe. And this is sped up just a little bit. So it is a slower process than what it looks like here. Sped up for time for the video. You will see in this process that I make a couple of mistakes, but I go back and I fix them. What I realized was I had forgotten to lay down gold on when I swipe on the other side. So you'll see me going back and doing the paper towels again. I wanted to talk a little bit about the paper towels. So you want to only, so you cut them to size however you want them. In the middle parts, I have them a little bit wider because I wanted it for the sunset. So it looks like the sun is radiating out. So those are thicker pieces for the middle portions. And then they kind of got thinner as, or not as wide as I got closer to the edges. So it is a pretty slow process because you want to make sure that the paper towel is down, the top of the paper towel is down nice and even, so you get a nice even swipe all the way down the canvas. And you need to have a steady hand, so try to be as steady as you can with that. I will use a torch in this to pop any air bubbles. Also, you'll see me do that. The cell activators, those are what's in those bottles there. Those they have some have this little picky pigments in them, and the cell activator, it has Aussie Flo in it, and that's what makes the cells. Also, the American Floetrol also makes cells all on its own, but I wanted to see if I could make even more distinct cells using both the Aussie Floetrol and then going over something that already has American Floetrol in it. All the paints in this have this little piggy pigments in them also. And how I mixed those was I mixed 1 part this little piggy to 1 part paint, mixed those together, added a little GAC 800, and then went to consistency with the American Floetrol. There was no water added at all. Oh, nope, I take that back. There was a little bit of water added to this. All the consistencies in the paints are the same. More detail regarding this will be in the description box. I'm going to put music on for the rest of this so you can enjoy the swipe without me talking.
Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Laying low, no place to go. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a late.
The embellishment portion is going to go really fast. It's self-explanatory what I'm doing. I'm using fiber paste though to make the sun, and I'm going to texturize it. I'm using a rigger brush to make the palm tree trunks, and then a fan brush to make the palm fronds. And now I'm going and doing the sun, and I'm using the same colors that I used for the actual colors for the swipe. Heavy gloss gel helped make the sand, and now I'm doing some more embellishing. And heavy gloss was used in that portion too.